If you're buying a used phone, you have to check the secret setting first, just to make sure you can actually take this phone to a carrier that you want to take it to. It's 2 steps. It's really simple. The first step is we open the settings and we scroll down to General and we tap on About. And we scroll all the way down till we get to IMEI. Tap and hold on this number. Might be able to tap and hold on the whole row as well. This little menu will appear. Tap on Copy. Remember the last 2 digits of the IMEI number because they will get cut off in most IMEI searches. So mine are 6 and 7. So remember those 2. And now we're going to go into Safari. Search for IMEI check. I like to use IMEIcheck.com. There's a bunch of others that say they're free, but then to get real data, you have to pay. So don't do those. Do IMEIcheck.com. At least at the time of this recording, it's free. It could, of course, change at any moment. There are ads. This is an ad right here. There's an ad down here. Don't use that search bar at the top because we're not searching for court cases. So don't worry about that. Just scroll down until you get to the IMEI check field. Tap on it again to get the paste button. And now we have to remove the 2 spaces that are in there after 35 and then between the 2 zeros. So we want to tap on here. I'm going to use my space bar to navigate. Get rid of that space and then get rid of this space as well. Tap back to the end and then enter the 2 numbers that we remembered, which are 6 and 7. Then tap on Check IMEI. This takes a few seconds to check the databases and it'll come back with data. Hopefully. It doesn't always, but 99% of the time I think it does. Here are the results, and aside from a whole bunch of other interesting info, you can see there's no carrier lock on this phone. So if I were to buy this used phone, I can take it to any carrier that I want, which is one of the reasons this type of search exists. If you want to quickly make sure your phone is scam proof, click the link in the pinned comment down below. Next up, check out this video right here, which shows you how to empty the trash on your iPhone. Super important that you keep your space management under control, and you probably don't know some of these hidden trash cans I'm going to show you in this video. So check that out next. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I will see you on that one.